right now as you're watching this. Millions of invisible invaders are trying to kill you, and the only reason you're still alive is because of a microscopic army you didn't even know you had. Your immune system is working every single second of every single day, fighting battles you never see, against enemies you never notice. But here's what's wild. Most of what you think you know about your immune system is probably wrong. So let's break down how this incredible defense system actually works. First, forget everything you've heard about boosting your immune system. Your immune system isn't like a muscle you can just make stronger. It's more like a highly trained special forces unit that's already operating at peak efficiency. What you actually want is balance, not boost. So how does it work? Let's start with the first line of defense: your skin, mucus, stomach acid, and tears. Yeah, tears. These aren't just physical barriers, they're chemical warfare. Your stomach acid is so strong it can dissolve metal. Your mucus traps invaders like biological flypaper. These barriers stop about 99% of threats before they ever become a problem. But let's say something gets through. Maybe bacteria slip into a cut, or a virus sneaks past your nose. This is where things get interesting. Your innate immune system kicks in. This is your body's rapid response team. Within minutes, cells called neutrophils and macrophages arrive at the scene. And here's the crazy part: they literally eat the invaders. This process is called phagocytosis, and it's as metal as it sounds. These cells engulf bacteria whole and dissolve them with toxic chemicals. But macrophages do something even smarter. After they eat an invader, they display pieces of it on their surface, like holding up a wanted poster that says, "We've got a problem, and this is what it looks like." This is where your adaptive immune system enters the chat. If your innate system is the rapid response team, your adaptive system is the elite intelligence agency that never forgets a face. T cells and B cells are the stars here. When they see that wanted poster from the macrophages, B cells start mass-producing antibodies, specialized proteins designed to stick to that specific invader, like a targeting system. These antibodies tag the enemy so other immune cells can find and destroy them faster. Meanwhile, T cells have two jobs. Helper T cells coordinate the whole operation, telling other immune cells what to do. Killer T cells hunt down your own cells that have been infected and eliminate them before the infection spreads. It sounds brutal, but it's necessary. Sacrificing a few infected cells saves the whole body. Here's the most incredible part. After the battle is won, some of these B cells and T cells stick around as memory cells. They remember that specific invader for years, sometimes for your entire life. This is why you usually only get chickenpox once, and it's the whole principle behind vaccines. You're training your immune system to recognize enemies it hasn't even met yet. But sometimes, the system malfunctions. In autoimmune diseases, your immune system mistakes your own cells for invaders and attacks them. In allergies, it overreacts to harmless things like pollen or peanuts. And in immunodeficiency disorders, the system doesn't respond strongly enough. So here's the bottom line. Your immune system is constantly running a surveillance state inside your body, identifying threats, mounting coordinated attacks, and maintaining a database of every enemy it's ever encountered. It's doing all of this without you ever having to think about it. The next time someone tries to sell you something to boost your immune system, remember, it doesn't need boosting. It needs sleep, nutrition, exercise, and for you to stop stressing it out, your immune system is already a finely tuned miracle of evolution. And right now, as you finish watching this, it's still out there fighting battles you'll never see, keeping you alive one microscopic victory at a time.